what we're going to do right now, we have now created the base for our dies. We put on the model trimmer and trimmed it back to where we come right up to the edge of where everything fits. We're going to finish trimming. And we want to take it so we have a nice finished edge. And you can see how that comes right to the edge. Nice and smooth. This stone is still a little bit soft. You can see how it's clogged up the burr a little bit. So we take some of that off.
Do we want to rinse it with water?
No, just scrape it off with a knife. Now it's easier to continue carving back down. This stone is just a little bit too wet right now. So we'll come back to that in a few minutes. So while that's still setting, I'm going to go ahead and trim a little bit off the base to get back so I can see where our pins are. 5's in there somewhere. This is a special burr that has an indentation right in here and then a round area so that we can create an area over the pins see, now we can see the pin. In the past, we've put wax over them to try and make it easy to clean out, but this is just a lot cleaner. Oh, so probably right here. Uh-oh. Where did I put my little pin?
Just where your tooth is. You want right
Oh, wrong side, right side. I'm over here, aren't I? I knew there was supposed to be another pin there, so there's 5 of them.
I found it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're good.